Hey, it's Whistlenut shooting a beautiful winter Iowa blizzard. The snowflakes are ginormous. It's awesome. Hey, it's awesome. 8 days till we go to Vegas. I'm super excited. We've got some awesome rodeos already booked for 2019, but there's always room for more. If we haven't booked with you and you're open, come to the convention in Las Vegas, South Point, so we can book our rodeo with you for 2019. We'd love to do it. We're gonna pack our schedule again this year and chase some more dreams. But this is a beautiful Iowa blizzard. That's why I chose to do the video today, because it's just gonna make Vegas that much sweeter. Don't worry, Ole's packed away in a nice straw stall in the barn. He's in good shape. But we're looking forward to Vegas. I can't wait. I love the snow, but I can't wait to get to Vegas and see how many more rodeos we get booked for 2019. So, enjoy the last parts of November. Come to Vegas. I'll see you in the first parts of December. We'll book some rodeos. Enjoy. These snowflakes are ginormous. I'll take you out there. It's almost a whiteout. That's a cornfield. That's my cornfield. It's not very big, but that's what Ole eats. Ta-da! See you in Vegas!